A little backstory on how I wrote the song "Boy from the Hills." So it was inspired from the story told by my grandma during World War II, when the Japanese and the Britishers were, in a war. So my grandma, she ran down from my village, Kigwema, to Kohima, and all the chaos, what happened. She used to tell me stories when I was young, and as I grew up, her words, her stories was always with me, and this is how I got inspired, and this song "Boy from the Hills" came about. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Do you know the chorus part? Any one of you? Chorus part? The lullaby part? If you know the chorus part, please sing along with the song, okay?
Flakes from a rock, have a piece that we share. Drop off a blood from the heads of a spear. This is my statement, I'm very rare. Boy from the hills coming down like Jumanji. Sound from the trees, making waves that surround me. Race from the seeds that were sown by my auntie. Blue from the soil that was stained by the armies. Blue from my backs from the house to a goal. Still big bone, marching on like a rocket. The beat banging on like a war drum. Ready for whatever, I'm improving cause I'm over. Son of a hunter, I go hard like a strong one. Let the bamboos in the mountain, this where I'm from. Can I see those hands up, everyone? Hey! You can wave your hands like this, everyone. Hey! Hey! Boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story, but you know it was real. Boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story, but you know it was real. Boy from the hills. Boy from the hills. I'm the boy from the hills. I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story, but you know it was real. Boy from the hills. Boy from the hills. Check. There were bombs going off, there were houses being burned. The whole family had to hide in the forest. It wasn't even safe when the baby was born. Mama had to feed her when the rain stopped falling. The whole year harvest went to the soldiers. The Japanese troops made camps and took over. On the Nagamese, there were fosters arrived. All of this supplies were in 89. She never really knew how the outside was. Yeah, it's so fragile, she would get lost. My grandma told me stories how she ran away from home. Shoot by the war, seeing people on a horse. The stories lived on to the tales in the night. She would put me to sleep singing this lullaby. And it goes like, put your hands up, everyone. Hey, make some noise. Hey, boy from the hills, boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story, but you know it was me. Boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story, but you know it was me. Boy from the hills, boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story, but you know it was real. Thank you.